one is brake.
Brake. Okay.
All the time you have to press this.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it slow, man, okay?
Yeah.
You don't rush,
Slowly.
just slow. Get used to the gear.
This one slowly you have to release it.
So this is
Later.
you hold this when you want to change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the gear change.
Okay.
This is the manual.
All right.
It says it's neutral. When you press this one, you have to release like this. So
Okay.
that one is first gear.
Okay.
So you have to release it gently and then press the throttle
This one.
slightly. Yeah.
Slightly. Okay.
Okay.
It's
And then
like-
release
so
it
it's like a manual
slowly.
throttle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then don't forget to press this brake. Yeah. This is for the safety one. Okay. You have to release it and then you have to play that one, the throttle. Okay. There you go.
Check your mirrors.
What?
Check your mirrors
The
for
mirrors,
safety.
the side mirror, left side, right side. Okay, you have to play the throttle so that you have to go forward.
Right.
Okay. Play it. Yeah, it's okay. You have to put like this. But just put in mind, you have to press the brake all the time. Okay.
Okay.
Your focus should be on the front. You have to press the handbrake. Okay. There you go. Okay. Brake.
Brakes, brake.
Brake. Okay. You have to release it. You go forward. And then play the throttle. Yeah, like that. No, it's okay. Just go to the neutral one. That
Okay.
one. And then press the okay. Same thing. You have to press that one and then release it slowly and then play the throttle. Right? Go forward and then play the throttle. It's okay. Just go to N1. It means it's neutral.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Press the red one. Same thing. Release this one slowly. Then play the throttle. Dito rin eh. Ito. It's okay.
Just
Gently, you have to same thing, same procedure. Let's go with the N1 because it doesn't start when the first gear is on. Okay. Same procedure. You have to play the throttle, then release the brake. Okay. Release it slowly and then play the throttle. Yeah, like that. That's good. Okay, play the throttle, then release this one gently. There you go.
almost.
Almost. Same,
And one.
same thing. Now you have to go with N1. Neutral. It means it's neutral. Brake. Okay, there you go. That's only first gear, huh?
No.
No, that one is warning sign to go reverse. Yeah, that one. Press the red button. Same thing. Press, then release it slowly and then play the throttle.
Ah,
Almost.
almost.
Okay. Same procedure. Okay. Release it and then play the throttle. You have to play it and then you have to try to, you know, to get the first gear and then play the throttle. Then
Left.
clutch. Okay, here we go turn. We go
Left,
left.
left,
Huh?
left.
Okay, slowly. Okay, brake. Turn left. Okay. Okay.
Watch out.
Okay. Same thing. Play the throttle. Turn right.
Brake.
Okay.
So every time you turn your
Very
brake.
good, huh?
Hmm?
That's your first time.
Yes.
Yeah. Miro, he cannot move like this. It's very hard for Miro to learn. But you, first time, it's very easy for you. Okay, the book. This is the book. Alright. Okay. Brake. This.
Okay, try to stop.
Mas maano pa siyang turuan. Madali
So,
siyang matutunan
turn it off.
sa'yo.
All right.
Turn it off.
Madali siyang matutunan. And,
You